All right, folks, get it while it lasts. That 2-for-1 special is back on XRP, and I want to talk about it. I want to put this into perspective, and I got a couple questions to ask you. We're going to pretend that we're in the future, and I'm your child or your grandchildren that are asking you, hey, daddy, hey, grandpa, what did you do during the greatest transformation of wealth in history? And my mentor, Dan Pena, would add an explicitive in that question. But I'm just going to, pretend that I'm your child, I'm your grandchild. We're here in the future. It's, let's say 2040, 2050. Man, maybe some of you guys are getting towards the end of the runway and you're not planning on making it that far. I understand that that's a different situation. And that's why I have sympathy for folks that have an exit strategy for XRP at shorter time frames at lower prices than others. I get it. If you're telling me that you're going to sell off all your XRP at $10, set sail, you're going to be debt free, you're going to be able to take the children and the grandchildren to Disneyland and do everything that you want to do, God bless you. I get it. But I want you to think about this moment right now with XRP at 50 cents, and I want to make a point. The ritual that these elite do is they put it right in front of your face to mock you before they execute. And I believe that's what's taking place with XRP right now. It is hidden in plain sight. Now, not everybody in the planet knows about cryptocurrency for that matter, or XRP particularly. But what we do see is a large segment in the crypto space knows about XRP, right? If you're in crypto, you know about XRP. Many people skip over XRP. They go straight from being a Bitcoin bro to being a meme coin god, a meme coin millionaire, a Cardano kid, or whatever, whatever the deal is going to be. That's great. But if you're in crypto, you know about XRP. And that's part of the ritual that they do time and time again, is they put it right out in front of you. For example, look at all the movies and the predictive programming that we're seeing right now. American Civil War. I like the reference, the Purge movies, right? I say, look at the inner cities of America right now. The Purge is taking place 24/7, 365. That's really not laughing matter. It's not really a joke. It's actually happening. But once again, they put it out in front of you before they execute it. And that's what we're watching right now for XRP. And many people are going to be kicking themselves and have some regrets, not only about XRP, but about not maximizing, not squeezing everything you can out of this opportunity while XRP is trading at 50 cents. Let's take a look at the charts to add context to what I'm talking about here. This is XRP USD Bitstamp chart all the way back to 2016 when this thing was trading at less than a penny, right? Less than a penny, 2 cents, all the way up to $3.33, 331, wherever it's at, right? Some exchanges say 380. We went over $3 for XRP at the all-time high, January of 2018. In the blink of an eye, in 1 month, ranging. Right? This is just ridiculous, guys. Literally ranging. This is a weekly chart. Remember, each one of these candles is 1 week. Where are we at right here? November, December 17, we're at 23 cents. 23 cents, guys. 20 cents. And then just 1 month later, all the way up to over $3. And so many people in the crypto space are looking at this. Recency bias is something that everyone needs to understand. If you don't know what that is, look up the term. All you can see is what's right in front of you. As I said, hidden in plain sight. They put it in front of you to mock you. You're not in on it. That's why they can put it in front of you and harvest your energy. And this is a whole lot bigger than XRP. XRP is just one example that we're talking about right now, but I don't just use the term greatest transfer of wealth in world history because it's a nice slogan. It's a nice term. It's a nice meme. No, it's actually something that some people, many people, as a matter of fact, most people are not going to get on the right side of. The transfer of wealth is already underway. And if it's not incoming to you right now, we need to fix that. That's a problem because the transfer of wealth is underway. And if it's not coming into you right now, then it might be going out. Might not be happening for you. And that's why I come in here and I put everything that I got into the content that I make on a daily basis to help get as many people as I can on board the train with us. Too many people, as I said in my video yesterday, are distracted by XRP price. They have recency bias. All they can see is the charts today and the charts over the last couple years. And they've only been in the cryptocurrency space for a few years. Let's go back to the charts. I started getting into crypto after the 2017 bull run. That's when crypto actually got my attention. I probably had heard about it before then. I'm kicking I thought I was late. Right? Bitcoin was created way before this 2017 bull run. XRP was created in 2012. And so here I am thinking I'm late, thinking that we're about to get an XRP flip of the switch moment. All through 2018, that's when I was buying Bitcoin. Towards the end of 18, that's when I flipped. And a huge shout out to digital asset investor, Digital Perspectives, Brad Kimes, for waking me up to XRP, pulling me away from the Bitcoin bro session, sobering me up, and giving me the clear picture on what's taking place with this little digital asset from a startup company out of San Francisco. Just a little company here to put a dent in the universe. And so in 2019, that's when I flipped and I started going all in XRP. All through this downward action, all through this bear market, similar to what we were going through in 2022, right? All this downward action, right? And for XRP, we bottomed out here. It was June of 2022. We were sub 30 cent XRP in June of 2022. Were you buying? I was buying. Now I did. The highest that I've ever bought XRP is $1.20. I forget what date that was, but it was probably around this time during this bull run of 2021 when I was just happy to buy it at $1.20 because we had so much momentum. So that's the highest I've ever bought XRP. I've only bought XRP above $1 very few times, and the highest was $1.20. But most of my bag, guys, was actually accumulated back in here. And that was a blessing. We took advantage of that. And in fact, I look back and I think, gosh, what if I would have got my crap together back in 2019? I didn't have a family back then. I didn't have a wifey that motivated me to get my crap together, that lit a fire under my behind. I look back and I think, wow, how much further along can my business have been? But you and me are right where we need to be right now. This is where we're meant to be. Some of these lessons are tough. As I said yesterday in my video, Distracted by XRP Price, some of these truths are inconvenient. To give a shout out to Al Gore, the inconvenient truth. Well, this one's actually based in facts, based in fundamentals, which is what I keep on bringing it back to. Way too many folks are distracted by today's price action, by a Mickey Mouse meme coin that passes by listening to some liar, some shill who's telling you that they made all this money on this token that they were given launchpad tokens from so that they could dump on you as exit liquidity, that they were paid to shill so they could dump on you. They're liars. And all the other folks that are running around in this space saying, oh, you could have made all this money with this coin and that coin and this. None of you guys throw real money at that stuff. I'm just going to come out and say it right now. None of you guys throw real money at that. You invested $200 in a meme coin. You 10x'd it. You 20x'd it. It's nothing but a fart in the wind. Do it again. Is the program repeatable or scalable? No. Okay, then you don't have a real program. You gambled, you got lucky. I love to hear folks that go to the casino and get lucky. I love to hear that. I love to hear folks that make money. But I want you to build out a program that's repeatable and scalable. Part of value investing is investing in fundamentals and not being distracted by the hot thing right now. And I'm not going to save everybody. I'm not here to save everybody. But I'm just here to remind folks that we're going to be looking back at this moment in time, right here with XRP back below 50 cents once again. And what are they saying right now? XRP missed this bull run. XRP is never going to do anything. This is the same exact thing that they were saying in 2017 when Bitcoin had already topped out. And then we got the rotation that we've seen time and time again. Bitcoin leads the way. rotation into Ethereum, and then the other altcoins. And then what happened with XRP? It took the number 2 spot. It dethroned Ethereum. And way too many people think that that's not possible once again. I'm going to be dropping a second video here today talking about the organic growth that we're seeing on the XRP ledger right now. Once again, I barely even check the charts on a daily basis because I'm not actively trading right now. I can't find an exchange that will allow me to trade futures in the state that I reside. So I'm not trading right now. So I really don't even check the market other than when I come to make some content, if I see some big action, right? Or I give my perspective on a zoomed out technical analysis. I'm not here to day trade, not here to call it on a daily basis. I'm here to call this macro swings, just like we called this pullback of 20% that we just got. I didn't have to know it was going to be the Iran-Israel attack. I just knew that we have many scenarios. We were overbought. The fundamentals aren't there. The valuations can't be justified. And a 20% pullback's the normal all through this last year. And it came through once again. Now, in my community and in some of my most recent videos, I read all the comments, I go through, and I got to give a shout out to you guys. Because you guys are the ones that are going to be able to tell your kids, your grandchildren, Papa took care of it. Papa got a deal done. Not just on XRP either, by the way. Let's be very clear. For you guys that have been with me for a while, you understand very well that our program is not about holding XRP and praying. We hold XRP. We do pray every single day. God willing, we're going to be able to get through to the other side of this thing. And God willing, we're going to be able to maximize this opportunity. But we don't just sit and hold XRP and pray. We hold XRP, pray, build our side hustles, build our business, stack our precious metals, take care of our family, try to save as many of our friends and loved ones as we can. And you guys can help me out by smashing the thumbs up on this video, sharing it out far and wide, and let me know in the comments down below. Are you taking advantage of this opportunity, this 2-for-1 special? Or do you not think that this is a 2-for-1 special? Let me know. Check out my next video that's going to be dropping here later today, talking about the organic growth on the XRP ledger, fundamentals that once again just add to our investment thesis that this thing, sooner rather than later, is going to break out. And I think that the breakout, let's just be stupid conservative, $3 to $5. I know that there's a lot of haters that say it'll never even go to all-time high. Once again, that's fine. I throw that opinion out the door. That's not based in any fundamentals. That's just based in nonsense. $3 to $5 is a life-changing opportunity in and of itself. A 10x opportunity from today's 50-cent price to $5 is a life-changing opportunity if you play your cards right. And for what most of us should be really, focusing on is in income. Sorry for stuttering up on that. What we need to be focused on right now is income. Because for most of us, the problem is that we only have a few $100 to invest. We only have a few grand to invest. We're going to be able to get that 10x because we're going to invest right now at 50 cents and it's going to go to $5. We're going to capture that 10x. But the problem was how much we had to invest in the first place. This is why I'm focusing right now this year on ramping up our content, finishing out my business development program, and then continuing to add courses to it so that we can light that fire under your guys' behind to get you motivated, to get you in the field, to get you taking action, not just holding XRP, not just gambling on meme coins. If you want to do that, that's fine. But let's build out a program that's repeatable and scalable. Let's build out a side hustle that can guarantee you that, we're generating income without having to take on much risk. That's the idea there. We want to stack as much of this funny money fiat currency as we can so that we can roll it on into the real assets. If you guys need precious metals, we got you covered. Exchanges, wallets, it's all there. If you guys want to get tapped into my private community, it's all there. But before you head on out, if you could share it out, if you could tap it, that'd be great. But please drop a comment down below. Let me know. Are you taking advantage of this 2-for-1 special right now? Or let's be honest. Let's be honest. And I appreciate, because many of you guys have been honest with me lately, as I have been too. I told you guys, I really don't want to, throw much more capital at this thing, but golly, the deal's so dang good. I am going to have to buy some more XRP, the 2-for-1 special, even though my bags are good. I don't really want to allocate more cash towards it. I want to buy some real estate. I want to buy some private equity. It's just too good to pass up, though. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I got another video dropping later today. You're going to want to check that one out as well. And if you appreciate what we're doing, make sure you guys share it out far and wide. God bless you all. I am your host, Zach Rector. I really appreciate all of the love and support. If you want to support the channel, just remember that you can start by smashing that thumbs up for me, sharing this content far and wide, and everything else is at my website.